everyone, it's Miss Allison. I hope you're doing well. Guys, just wanted to check in real quick on your formative. I went through and graded those, so I wanted to talk to you about that. But first, I want to thank you so much for taking the MAPS test today. I know that's not always our favorite thing to do in the year, but thank you for your hard work on that. I'm excited to see how it went for you, and I know you'll be doing great work on that math test as well. So thank you so much for that. So let's quickly talk about the formative. You took it last Thursday and Friday. We are going to talk way more in depth about grades on Wednesday in class. However, I wanted you to have an opportunity to take a look at your formative if you are excited to look back at it, okay? So thank you for your work on that. It was a great opportunity to show how short stories are going for you, and I saw some amazing things. You guys really did a nice job with this, so thank you so much. So on Schoology, you will see your score right now in the gradebook, and we'll look a little bit deeper, like I said, about how to look at the gradebook and all of that later. But if you are eager and want to get there, you'll see it there, and you'll also see a comment next to it, okay? So the first thing I want to tell everybody is this is a formative, which means you can retake it. No matter what your score was, you can go back, you can make changes, you can retake it, okay? So that is your responsibility. That's what you need to be looking at right now. Is that something that applies to me? And that's a really good opportunity for you to continue to build your skills and show what you know, okay? So that's one part. The other thing is it says scroll to the bottom to see your comments. So this is your formative, and you are going to scroll all the way to the bottom to find your comment. Each and every one of you has a comment right here from me, okay? And you can also click the comment button up here to show it faster if you would like. So down here, you'll see something like this from me where it's like, hey, person, I wrote it to myself, right? You did a nice job. The annotation shows the element of plot, and the PEA shows theme well. Good work. Every single one of you, no matter what your score is, has something to consider to help continue to push you as a learner. So, for instance, if this was for me, I might say something like, hey, it asked you to make sure that you put comments next to your annotations. Please make sure you're doing that, or use the resources of how to do that. Or in PEA, I know a lot of us are needing to do this. We're going to start adding quotes for our evidence here, and we'll talk more about that again when we have time as a whole class. But there's just some things for you to think about. And then we all should have some sort of message like this. If you want to retake any part of this, please come to office hours. Some of you I may have asked to come to office hours. You're not in trouble. Calm down. It's fine. You're never in trouble, right? I maybe just needed to talk to you a little bit one-on-one on some of the things I had questions about on your formative, okay? So nothing to freak out about. Everything is fine. You are great. When you see your score, please don't freak out about that either. Remember, you can go back and change that. The goal of a formative is kind of our practice, more of an intense practice, maybe a scrimmage, right, before game day, to make sure that you have what you need. So make sure you do that. But wait, Miss Allison, what are office hours? When are they? Oh my gosh, I am so glad you asked. Thank you. So on Schoology, if we scroll down and scroll down and scroll down, oh, there it is. It tells me when office hours are, 3:30 to 4, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. And there is a link where I can access office hours. All right, friends, thank you so much. Let me know if you have any questions. We will talk about this more, but just in case you're seeing that score today and wanting to know a little bit more. Thank you for your hard work.